Hi, today I will show you how you can add smart lights on your Oval AI hub. Before we begin, make sure your smart light is already configured and connected to the same network as Oval AI hub to its native app, such as the TP-Link, Wiz, or LIFX app. Once it's on the network, Oval can discover and control it seamlessly. Before we go towards the device, first you have to create a room. Tap on the plus button. I want to create a backyard. Tap on the backyard and save. The backyard is created successfully. Then we'll go to the device.
And tap on the plus button. There you can see different devices. I want to add Wiz Light. Tap on the Wiz. Select the room name. I want to add it in the backyard.
The host IP is fetched automatically.
Tap on Next. And you can see the Wiz Light is added. Tap on the Wiz Light. Now you can see the UI of Smart Light controls.
Turn it on. Control the brightness.
And you can select different modes from here. And you can also select different colors, like a red. Nice. Changes to green. It's green now. You can change the brightness of the colors. Then you can select different pack of whites. This is pure white, and this is warm white. And also you can edit the light name from here.
You can also move the light of another room from here. And you can delete the light as well. Thank you.